Hi, it's Auret here from Essetinomedia, helping you create profitable content. And in today's video, we're going to look at the pros and cons of Clickfunnels. This is one of the best funnel building softwares out there. And if you're not familiar with what a funnel is, it's a series of landing pages that you can create where you can send traffic to and sell your products and services in a very focused manner. But although it's known as being one of the best funnel building softwares out there, is this really the best software for you and what you need to do with it? So this is the purpose of this video. I'm going to share the pros and cons, and this is coming from years of experience using the software, not only to build our own funnels, but also for some of our clients. And stick around to the end of the video because I'll be sharing exactly who will benefit most from this and who doesn't really need to get the software. Pro number one. So Clickfunnels is marketed as an all-in-one software, meaning you can create your landing pages with an easy drag and drop web page builder. You can have opt-in forms. You can have your payment systems integrated in there to accept payments. You can even send automated emails to go out when someone purchases or even just opts into your email list. The con side to this whole all-in-one software is that although Clickfunnels does certain things very well, for example, their landing page builder is easy to use. You can easily create a web page that has the right messaging and the images and different assets that you need on the page, but it doesn't do a lot of the other things very well. So I would say they're really good at giving you all of the things that you need, but if you want more out of those features, you might have to go somewhere else. And I'll give you an example. The email system. So although you can create automated emails to go out within the software, it's super basic. So let's say you want someone who buys an upsell of your product to go into an email sequence so you can nurture them to buy another product. This is something that Clickfunnels isn't really good at, and you'd be better off getting a third-party email software like MailChimp or Aweber or ConvertKit, just something else where you can create that sequence and the automations that go along with it. Another thing as well is the members area. So Clickfunnels does have an area where if you wanted to upload, let's say, a course or a digital product to sell in there, you can, and you can give access to someone automatically after they've gone through your funnel. But it's super basic, it's super simple, and I would not recommend if you are someone who wants to build out a full-fledged comprehensive course, you're gonna run into some problems with this software. In fact, this was our own experience with it. We had a course that we were selling on Teachable, and then we were using the ClickFunnels software to create the landing page and have people purchase it. And we had to use Zapier to connect the two so that people automatically got access to the course within Teachable after purchasing on Clickfunnels. And let me tell you, it was a huge headache. So many things can go wrong when you have many moving parts and connecting many different softwares together. You'll have people contacting you, not being able to access the course, and a whole bunch of other things as well. So just keep that in mind. Pro number two to the Clickfunnels software. The drag and drop builder to build your landing pages makes it really easy to throw up a landing page really quickly. So they have already ready-made templates in there, so you can easily choose an email opt-in template, for example, for a page and just change up the text or the images. Or you could do the same thing with a sales page. They have a wide variety of templates that you could easily use and change out the info, which is nice. And it's fairly easy to customize as well. If you are someone with basic technical knowledge, then you'll be fine. If you're not someone at all who fiddles with online stuff, then you may find a little bit of a learning curve, but it's definitely a lot easier than other web builders, and you don't have to have a knowledge of coding to use this. The con side to this software as well is that it can be a little bit pricey, especially when you're just launching, like you haven't launched a course or a product or service yet, and you haven't made any money yet. You know, it can be a little bit of a wait game, and it takes time once you build it out. It takes time to get those conversions. It's not something that if you use one of their templates right away, you'll see the money coming in. There's so much that goes into having the messaging on the page speak to your target audience and sell that product or service efficiently. So it can be a little hefty to shell out $147 a month for the the basic plan, or it turns out to be $127 a month if you pay for the whole year. That's at the very basic level though. If you are thinking you want to integrate a third-party email software and use some of their other integrations, you'll need at least the Pro plan, which is $197 a month, or $157 a month if you purchase annual. Pro number 3. Because Clickfunnels really has its roots in being one of the best funnel building softwares out there, they do a really great job of creating a whole library of education, tutorials, books, all this kind of stuff to help people succeed with their funnels and essentially get more sales and conversions. It really can be a powerful marketing and sales tool for your business if you know how to use it. So I personally read a bunch of the Russell Brunson books, the .com secrets, the expert secrets. I went into his One Funnel Away challenge to really get hard and fast training on what a funnel is, how it works, how can you make it convert, what we need to do, what we need to understand about messaging and our audience before we even put up a funnel. So there is a lot of pre-work that does need to get done before you actually build up a funnel. And that is the flip side, right? That is the con, quote unquote con of this software, is that it is a learning curve and you do need the time. If you are going to be doing this on your own, you do need the time to invest into learning all about funnels and how it works. I just want to make it clear that it's not a software that you can get and once you build something up, you'll see conversions right away. You need to understand about copywriting. You need to understand about your target market and whether and how to make it so that your target market really sees that they need your product or service. So if you are totally new to building out funnels, it can be a little bit overwhelming, and some of the other features as well can be a little bit difficult to navigate. But here is the entire summary and the conclusion of the video in terms of whether this is the right platform for you to start building out sales and marketing funnels for your business. If you have a very simple product, a physical product or a digital product, and when I say simple, I mean it's not many different video lessons, many different learning assets, quizzes, all that kind of stuff. It could be like, for example, an ebook or a 5-video digital product. So if you have something like that you are wanting to sell, that's a check mark for being a software that could work for you. But at the same time, you also need to have the resources, mainly the time to invest. You have to be ready to learn a lot about the software in order to truly use it to its full capabilities and start seeing sales from it. And resources, when I say resources, it's time, but it can also be money. So if you don't want to build out the funnel yourself and you are just wanting to hire someone who is a ClickFunnels expert to build out the funnel for you, that would work as well. But make sure you do have a simple product or service. If you are on the other side where you want to build out a more comprehensive course or digital product, you really want to make the learning experience an excellent one for your students with engaging features like quizzes and interactive video lessons, maybe even some live sessions, incorporating some live training in there as well, then ClickFunnels is likely not the best for you, because you'd be better off going to Kajabi or Learn Worlds, where they have more of those features available to you. And they also do have easy drag and drop page builders where you can build out those pages as well. And if you are needing help with building out your funnel, doesn't matter what platform it's on, whether it's ClickFunnels or another one, and you just want to talk it out with someone, I'd be happy to help. And I am available to get on a quick Zoom call with you to figure out whether we'd be a good fit for me to help you build your funnel out. So I'll put my email address in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.